Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with Infant, Toddler, Youth and the Pump Station and Nursery. And in this video, we're going to show you how to install the Maxi Cosi Mico 30 Baseless in your vehicle with the lap and shoulder belt. Now, before you do any installation, be sure to read the manual of your car seat so that way you know how it operates in your specific vehicle. All right. Now, before we do the installation, you have to make sure your child is buckled in properly in the car seat. You're going to set it down on the vehicle seat you're using. We're going to grab our seatbelt. The seatbelt is going to go over the car seat and over the child, and we're going to buckle in. There is a tab on both sides of the car seat. The lap belt can slide underneath it, and you want to make sure you do both sides. That's your belt path for the lap belt. The shoulder belt is just going to go straight back up to the car. Now we need to lock the seat belt. In my vehicle, the way you lock it is by pulling the seat belt all the way out as far as it can go. Now don't just yank it. If you yank it, it's going to do a temporary lock, and as soon as tension is released, it's going to go back to being loose. You want to grab the shoulder, pull it all the way out as far as it can go slowly. Now when you let it go, you're going to hear a ratcheting sound. That sound is letting you know the seatbelt's now in locking mode. Next, we're going to tighten the car seat. So I'm going to kind of push down on the chair. I'm going to slowly rock it from side to side. And as I'm doing that, I'm tightening the seatbelt and continuing to feed all the slack back into the car. The way to know this is tight enough is with one hand, you can use either hand, grab it from either side of the car seat as close to the lap belt as possible, and all you're looking for is an inch of movement. As long as the car seat cannot move more than an inch from side to side or front to back, then you know it's tight enough. Never check the car seat from the back. The back part will still be able to wobble and shake. That's where crash force is released. The last thing we have to do is check the angle. On both sides of the car seat, there's a blue section here that says level to ground, and there's an arrow. The arrow is pointing at this engraved line into the plastic of the car seat. You have to make sure that this line is level with the ground. So if you're on a flat surface, the line should be straight. If you're parked on a hill or slope, the line will of course be on the slope as well. All right, so if you need to change the angle, grab the car seat from the front and back. You can reposition it. You can retighten the seatbelt if necessary. But once both of your rules are being followed, car seat not moving more than an inch, and the line being level with the ground, you know the installation is complete. Maxi Cosi also wants the handlebar to be locked at the most upright position anytime the car seat is being transported in the vehicle. When you're ready to get the little one out, you're going to unbuckle, slide the lap belt out from the tabs, the seatbelt will reset back to normal once it retracts all the way back in, and then you can take your child and little one out. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.